Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Crompton Solarium Vogue instant water heater. There's an image of the water heater right over here. As you can see, this is basically a hot water geyser. It comes with smart LED indicator, 3-liter capacity, 3 kilowatt power wattage, 5 years of warranty on the tank and 2 years of warranty on the product itself. We have some more specifications mentioned over here. This particular geyser comes with powerful for heating, rust and shockproof body, 4-level extra safety, stainless steel tank for longer life, 6-bar rated pressure, elegant and sleek design. It's 5 years in warranty, 2 years in warranty on the product as I mentioned earlier. It is also ISI certified. Do we have any more information? No, this is it. I will now open the box and show you what's inside. So there you go. This is what you'll find inside the box. We have a packet of screws and packing material. This is for when you want to mount this geyser on the wall. I'm not opening this. There are basically 3 sets of screws over here. That's one. These are 2 metallic inlet and outlet pipes. As you can see, these are quite flexible and they're also made out of metal, so they're not going to break anytime soon. But over the time they do tend to rust, but that's a different matter. It takes a long time. You'll get a lot of usage out of it before it starts to rust, that's for sure. There's a chart on how to mount this particular geyser on the wall. This is an important document. We also have this. This is basically the instruction manual for the Solarium Vogue. This also comes with warranty registration as well. There's a lot of information here that you should read. This is a heavy this is basically an electrical appliance in your bathroom, so you should take some extra precaution when it comes to electrical connections, do's and don'ts, troubleshooting, etc. So this is also a very important document, so please keep it safe. And this is the 3-liter water heater in question. This is the Solarium Vogue. As you can see, it is made out of solid ABS plastic body. It has a white and teal color combination as over here, and this is basically the LED indicator. Yeah, this is the LED indicator. There are a lot of grooves at the back for when you want to mount it on a wall. There are 3 grooves at least, and you get 3 screws for that as well. Underneath over here, you will see this is the outlet pipe, this is the outlet socket, and this is the inlet socket as it's mentioned over here. We also have a pretty thick PVC cable right over here, pretty thick PVC cable with a 3-pin plug on one end. This is a 15 ampere plug, so make sure you have a 15 ampere power socket in your bathroom. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Crompton Solarium Vogue instant water heater. Thank you for watching.